Hello everyone, welcome to my try and haul. I'm Vanila. If you don't know me yet, please know me and subscribe to me. So yeah, you will find a lot of fun in my videos, watching my videos. And here it's a new sports bra I've got these days, and I thought I'm going to show you, and hopefully you're going to like it, with striped knickers. I hope you like this sports bra because I love it. It's fantastic. It's not going anywhere. It's staying on, stay put. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and see you in the next video. Take care. Love you.